introduce you to a really neat tool that will help you generate a free, good-looking email signature that will be brand cohesive and include all of your important contact information. This is HubSpot's free email signature generator, which can be found at hubspot.com/email-signature-generator. You'll see here on the left, there are several layout templates to choose from. We've chosen template number 6. However, you can choose whichever style suits your preference. Now, before you go to the next tab, make sure you unselect this option that it says created with HubSpot. That will create a add link here in your signature. When you take that out, that will no longer be visible in your email signature. After you've selected your layout, go to the next tab and enter all of your pertinent information. Make sure to not have any typos in your contact information, email, phone. If there are any pieces of information that you don't need, such as if you don't have a physical firm address where you want people to visit you in person, you can leave that out. We also highly recommend adding your social media links for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter if you have it. Next, you'll go to the Stylize tab. So here we've added our brand colors with indigo blue. If you have a firm logo and you don't know your color codes, you can go to other free tools online such as this, pinetools.com/image color picker. What you'll do is you'll upload your logo here and it will help you select the colors within your logo. So we've chosen our logo here. Now, if you have 2 logo colors, you can select a different for text color or a link color in a complementary color. Also, we don't recommend using black as it's quite stark against the white. Would go for a medium gray. You can use the color here to select as well if you don't have your exact color codes. Also, make sure not to make your font size too small. You want it to be a nice medium size that's easy to read. Lastly, you'll add your images. Some advisors like to include their profile photo so that they're recognizable and adds a level of trust to your communication, and as well as adding your company logo. Now, you can't just upload your logo image. You need to grab the logo link from your website. So if you don't have that link, you can ask your admin or website developer to get that logo link for you. Ours looks like this, which is a WordPress upload image link. So I'd copy the link and paste it here. Also, for my headshot, we'd go to the website, right click, and we can say copy image address or open image in new tab and grab the image link here. So you'll see some people add a profile photo. It's great if it's a square logo or even better, a circle profile photo. I'm going to choose to leave mine out. Also, you can add a call to action button. Our preferred button is to schedule a call, so it makes it really easy for your clients and prospects to schedule a call with you directly from your email. And you'd have that link as well. So this would go directly to our Getting Started page where people can schedule a meeting. You'll also change your CTA color, so you can choose your button color, whether it's your brand color here or a contrasting color. Make sure it's something that is visible and not too light. There we have it. That is our email signature. So now we're going to click Create Signature. And then you can copy. I recommend copying your signature source code, which you might not know what to do with your source code, but it's a good thing to save for future reference. So I would save this here and save it either as a Word document or a text document of some kind. Then you'll go back here and copy your signature, and whether you're using G Suite or Outlook, you'd go to your email provider in the settings and find where to change your signature. Add your signature here by pasting, and then select Save Changes. Now you can also add this to your mobile phone by sending yourself an email once you have it installed on your computer, and then from your mobile phone you would just select that signature and paste it into the settings within your phone. Also, HubSpot will send you an email, since this was a free service, trying to get you to sign up for their CRM. If you're not interested in signing up for the CRM or getting their emails, you can easily unsubscribe here in the footer. Thanks. Let us know if you have any questions at all.